Spinach and cheese omelette. Let's cut and check it out. So in the center I have kept cheesy, and on the sides you can see the spinach. So the cheese is already melted inside, you can check it out, and that's gooey and creamy, it's inside. Now you can just put it in the bun, which I have already toasted with butter, and eat it. If not, you may add a little more cheddar cheese, the English cheddar cheese, that's how I like it. And then you can just put up on the top, and that's how you can eat it up. Yeah. That's quite American way. Indians usually don't eat spinach in the morning with the egg, but now that I'm here, I love it, and let me eat it. Alright then, so here it is, spinach and cheese omelette. Let's try.